In this first video, I'll show you how to take your Tagul and grab a picture of it to put into your website. We actually need two bits of information from our Tagul, a picture of it, and then a link, a live link to it. So you'll see up at the top I have my Tagul open, I have my drive open, I have my sites open. So I'm going to sign into Tagul. You either used your own account or you used mine, in which case the password was my first initial last name and the password was Tagul. And then I'm going to find mine. Now, if you didn't name it, you have to search through all the ones that have a number on it. But I'm going to find mine. And the first thing I need to do is I need to grab a picture of it. So that's not where I go. Where was it? Here we go. Okay, so I'm on the last tab. Up here, tag source was where you made all the changes to it. You want to go to the bottom to grab and share. And you want to place on a web page, but we're not going to copy this code. I tried, it doesn't go into our web pages. So you can see example of correct embedding using code above here. So if you click here, you get to see an example of it. This is actually your live Tagul. So if you clicked on any of these, it would take it to your links. So the first thing I need to do is I need to snap a picture of this. In order to do that, I'm simply going to take a screenshot. On your PC, you have to look down at your keyboard, and up by all the F buttons, there is this print screen button. So you'll have your Tagul, and you click print screen. So what it's done is it's captured everything, even the bars or the tabs across the top. Now I'm going to go crop that out. I don't really want it to look that way. So I'm going to go down to Start at the very bottom and go to Paint. If your Paint doesn't pop up, if you go to All Programs and Accessories, you should find Paint under there. So mine shows up on my screen because I use it so often, but if it doesn't show up on yours, go to All Programs, Accessories, and Paint. Paint is a very basic drawing and cropping program. So now we're going to paste in here. You can go to Edit or Paste or hit Control V. Alright, so now I want to crop out all of this stuff. I'm going to get my cropping tool. Notice right now I have the X cursor, but it has the arrows on the end, which means I can only move things around. I want to go up here and click on the crop again, and I want that crosshairs type cursor. I'm going to crop around my Tagul. Hopefully yours has more words than mine. And I'm going to Control X. I'm going to cut it out. Then I'm going to go up to my Paint and I'm going to make a new blank piece of paper to paste my picture in. So I want a new. It says, but do you want to change it or save it? Nope. Okay. There's the Tagul I want. I'm going to save this. Save as. And for today, just throw it on your desktop. Because when this computer shuts off, it's going to get deleted. Or you can go back and delete it later. We're going to send this up to our drive in just a minute. So call it your name, Carol's Tagul, or legal terms, something so you can find it on the desktop, and change it to a JPEG. And then save. Okay, that was our first step, grabbing a picture and saving it. Go ahead and get that done. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to send that picture to your Google site and put it in your site.